In a world full of chaos and uncertainty, we all strive to level up our lives and reach our full potential. But how can we achieve this? Today, I'm here to unveil the top 9 secrets that will unlock a new chapter in your life. Secret 1. Master the art of time management. By prioritizing your tasks and setting achievable goals, you can take control of your day and make the most out of every minute. Secret 2. Cultivate a positive mindset. Positivity is key to overcoming challenges and embracing opportunities with open arms. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Secret 3. Prioritize your health and wellness. A strong body and a healthy mind are the foundation for success in all aspects of life. Make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Secret 4. Practice mindfulness. In a world that never stops moving, taking time to be present in the moment can bring clarity, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being. Secret 5. Give back to others. Acts of kindness and generosity not only benefit those in need but also nurture your own sense of fulfillment and purpose. Secret 6. Never stop learning. Whether it's picking up a new hobby or mastering a new skill, continuous learning keeps your mind sharp and opens doors to endless possibilities. Secret 7. Cultivate meaningful relationships. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, support you, and bring out the best in you. True connections are a cornerstone of a fulfilling life. Secret 8. Step out of your comfort zone. Growth and transformation happen when you push the boundaries of what you think is possible. Embrace new experiences and watch your life expand in ways you never imagined. Secret 9. Practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on the blessings in your life and express gratitude for all that you have. A grateful heart attracts abundance and joy. By incorporating these 9 secrets into your daily life, you can unlock the limitless potential within you and level up in ways you never thought possible. Are you ready to take the first step towards a brighter future? The power is in your hands. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on how to level up your life. Together, we can create a world where anything is possible. Thank you for watching.